How to unclip coupons on Dollar General app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can unclip coupons on Dollar General app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to unclip coupons on Dollar General app, so let's just say that you've basically happened to apply or clip a specific coupon on the Dollar General app, and you can also do that by going to this deal section or during the checkout process and so on. You have to understand that Dollar General does not allow you to unclip any coupons that you've already clipped. Next time you can only just clip the higher value. So basically, if you've clipped a specific coupon according to Dollar General, you cannot basically unclip them. So that's just a thing that you actually want to remember. If you want to remove them as well, you will not be able to basically do so, and this way you'll be able to go ahead and basically unclip coupons, but as I said, you will not be able to do so. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.